Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the brand new Amber Cranberry Seed in this latest Grow Garden 2 update, the fall harvest map like this. So in this update, you can visit the new fall harvest map that has a beautiful autumn vibe like this. And then in this event, you can get the new seeds. One of them is this Amber Cranberry, and then you can buy it like usual in this seed shop, but don't expect to see it very often because it's a super plant, so it's quite rare to appear, and it costs 140 million shekels or maple leaf. So yeah, it's so expensive. And what makes this plant so special is its unique ability. This amber cranberry has a 5% chance to apply the amber mutations to every growing fruit in your garden. And okay, that's it. That's everything you need to know about the new Amber Cranberry Seed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.